What's going on, everybody? I'm here with TradeUI, showing you how you can use your option flow filtering system to track stocks throughout the day and become a better day trader. So, the good thing is about TradeUI is you can access their site and it'll actually give you all the option flow data that comes in throughout the day. So remember, option flow are large option orders that come in at one time. So these could be large orders such as $20,000, $30,000, even over $100,000, and you can use this to give yourself a good conviction on whether the stock's going to go up or down. So, I'm not going to tell you how to trade yourself. I'm not going to tell you how to actually do a technical analysis setup. As a day trader, you should already know how to do that. I am going to show you how you can use TradeUI's option flow data to set yourself up for more success when you do trade. So, the thing I want to look for day trading is I want to see option contracts that are getting opened up. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and select Ask. This tells me that people are very aggressive and wanting to buy option contracts. And then I want to look for days of expiration. Let's see something that's under 10 days. All right, we want to see something 10 days or less. That way we can see what's people are expecting to move fast, per se. You know what I mean? So if there's like 30, 40, even 100 days out, we're not really worried about that. We want to see people who are expecting a move to happen in a short amount of time. The last thing I will do, I want to set my minimum premium to about 100,000. This tells me that every trade that comes through is roughly worth $100,000 or more. And lastly, I'm going to change my underlying to stocks. So when we apply this down, we went from having a lot of option flow data to only a handful. And one thing we have to consider is we're not really worried if there's only one or two contracts that are open. We want to see something a lot of aggressive buying or selling. In this case, Tesla. All right, Tesla had 29 call contracts and 4 puts today. As you see, the first number shows the calls, the second shows the puts. So as you can see, we had a lot of green Tesla right at the open around 9:30. We had a lot of green activity, and then as it continued, we actually had a lot of green activity around the midday and towards the end of the day. So today was a great day for Tesla. So when I look at the chart here, TSLA, just like that, Tesla had a big green day. Didn't even have to look at the chart to tell you because I'm reading the option flow. So remember, right at the open right here, let's go ahead and zoom in a little more. Right at the open, we had a lot of bullish activity coming in on those option contracts. It started to consolidate, but those contracts kept coming in, and the price kept pushing upward. All right, throughout I think midday around 11 o'clock or so, around this time, we had a lot more option contracts coming in. Then we had a little battle between the bulls and the bears going on here. However, that option flow told us we had a lot more bulls in this fight, and because of that, we broke out and continued higher throughout the day. So that was just one little trade that we could have taken on Tesla at the open and still profit at the close. And all we had to do was log on in the open, go on to TradeUI, set up the filter the way you like it, and you could have seen those Tesla contracts coming in right around 9:30 in the morning. All right, so that was a really, really easy bullish play you could have made there, just trading Tesla. If you want to play around with TradeUI to figure out how you can use their option flow to give yourself a trading edge and incorporate it into your strategy, go ahead, click on the link in the description below. It will take you to TradeUI, and that way you can try it out for yourself. Sign up for the free trial, see if you like it. If you do, great. If you don't, it's all good, guys. We understand. We just hope that you get the best trading experience by using this tool, and we hope to work with y'all later on. All right, guys, we're going to end the video here.